Hello and welcome to Clever Clogs Academy's Word of the Day. Today's word is abashed. Let's dive in and see how mastering this word can boost your reading and writing skills. So, what does abashed actually mean? As an adjective, being abashed means feeling embarrassed, disconcerted, or ashamed about something you have done. It is that sudden feeling of guilt when you make a mistake. For a quick memory trick, let's look at its etymology. It comes from the old French word esbahir, which originally meant to astound or to amaze. Over hundreds of years, the meaning shifted to describe the feeling of being stunned by your own embarrassment. In comprehension texts, you will see words used in different ways. Let's look at an example of someone feeling embarrassed. The boy looked abashed when he accidentally knocked over the delicate vase in the shop. His guilt and embarrassment are clear. Now, let's look at a sentence where someone is the complete opposite. Despite being the youngest in the competition, she was not at all abashed by the difficult questions. In this case, saying she was not abashed means she remained perfectly confident and calm. Synonyms and antonyms are a great way to build your vocabulary. Words similar to abashed, the synonyms include embarrassed, sheepish, mortified, and remorseful. On the other hand, the antonyms, words with the opposite meaning, include confident, proud, unashamed, and bold. Now, synonyms don't always mean the exact same thing. They have different levels of intensity. We call this nuance. Let's measure our synonyms on the nuance thermometer. At the mild end, we have sheepish. This means feeling only slightly awkward or self-conscious. In the medium zone, we have our word of the day, abashed, which means being noticeably uncomfortable or embarrassed. Finally, at the intense end, we have mortified. If you are mortified, you are deeply ashamed, horrified, or completely humiliated. Understanding these different levels of nuance will instantly upgrade your creative writing. Now it's your turn. Let's test your knowledge with a quick challenge. Here is your question. Which word is the closest antonym or opposite to abashed? Is it A. Mortified, B. Confident, C. Sheepish, D. Sorry? Pay very close attention to whether the question asks for a synonym or an antonym. We are looking for the opposite meaning here. Pause here and have a go. Let's reveal the answer. If you chose B, confident, you are absolutely correct. Well done, because abashed means feeling embarrassed or ashamed. Its opposite is feeling confident and bold. Options A, C, and D are all synonyms at different levels of our nuance thermometer. Fantastic effort. Building a strong vocabulary is one of the most powerful things you can do to improve your English. Keep practicing and you'll be an expert in no time. Thank you for joining me today. For more expert educational resources, courses, and support, visit us at www.cleverclogsacademy.com. Keep up the brilliant work and we'll see you next time.